Are you looking for the best non-stick griddles? In this video we will look at some of the best non-stick griddles on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Presto 07061. The Presto 07061 seems to be a versatile and user-friendly electric griddle. Its premium non-stick surface promises a hassle-free cooking experience with easy cleaning. The slide-out drip tray adds to the convenience, making cleanup a breeze. The Control Master heat control feature ensures that your desired cooking temperature is automatically maintained. The heavy cast aluminium base is a standout feature, providing a warp-proof foundation for your cooking endeavors. The griddle's fully immersible design, coupled with the removable heat control, adds to its practicality. The latch clips make it easy to detach the handles from the griddle base without the need for tools. A space saver, the base can be conveniently stored in most standard 18-inch kitchen cabinets when the handles are removed. Number 2. Cuisinart Griddle Skillet. The Cuisinart Griddle Skillet is a culinary powerhouse with its exceptional design and professional triple-ply construction. The core of pure aluminium and brushed stainless exterior not only gives it a sleek look but also ensures even heat distribution along the bottom and side walls. Thanks to heat surround technology, this feature guarantees that your cooking is consistently top-notch. Cooking with this griddle skillet is a breeze, thanks to the drip-free pouring rim and the tight-fitting cover that seals in moisture and nutrients, leading to healthier and more flavorful results every time. Whether you're using traditional stovetops or induction cooktops, this skillet is up for the task. And when it comes to cleanup, you're in luck. This kitchen marvel is dishwasher safe. Number 3. Bella Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle. The Bella Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance designed to make your cooking experience enjoyable and convenient. With its powerful 1500 watt heating system, this electric griddle ensures quick and even cooking, while the cool touch handles and built-in ledge with backstop make flipping pancakes a breeze. What sets this griddle apart is its durable and efficient design. The unique ceramic non-stick coating, reinforced with titanium, is not only 8 times more durable than standard non-stick coatings but also cooks up to 30% faster. This ensures that your food is cooked to perfection without sticking to the surface, and the scratch resistance adds to the griddle's longevity. Number 4. Jean-Patrique The Whatever Pan Cast. The Jean-Patrique Whatever Pan XL is a culinary game changer, taking the beloved features of the original Whatever Pan to new heights. With a substantial 30 cm / 11.8 body diameter, this pan is a kitchen powerhouse, capable of handling large meals for the entire family. Crafted with high-quality materials, the Whatever Pan XL boasts a high-quality cast aluminium construction that can withstand temperatures up to an impressive 250 degrees Celsius / 482 degrees Fahrenheit. Its bonded steel base ensures quick and even heating, providing a solid foundation for expertly seared steaks, perfectly char-grilled chicken, and more. Number 5. Dash Everyday Non-Stick Electric Griddle. The Dash Everyday Non-Stick Electric Griddle is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to go beyond just making pancakes. With its spacious 20 by 10.5-inch cooking surface, it's perfect for preparing a variety of foods, from eggs and cookies to grilled cheese, stir-fry, burgers, and quesadillas. This makes it a convenient choice for family meals, entertaining, or cooking multiple dishes simultaneously. Setting up the griddle is a breeze. Simply plug it in, adjust the heat probe to your desired temperature, and it heats up in minutes, saving you time and energy. The non-stick surface, free from fog, ensures even cooking and easy cleanup. The included drip tray catches excess grease, making post-cooking maintenance a snap.